What's up, baby dolls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by Wowigs. I will be doing a tutorial on their Sierra Afro Kinky Curly Headband wig. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Now let's get right into this tutorial. So this is the cute little box that it comes in. It comes with their pamphlet, and inside of the pamphlet it just shows different headband wigs and lace wigs that they have. And on the back it just shows you how to properly care for your hair. And also it comes with 2 headbands. Of this unit is beautifully made. It comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 at the top, and 1 in the back. So now I'm just going in with my even edge control and my edge brush and get my edges together. If I had to rate this hair, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I experienced no tangling, zero shedding whatsoever. If you are a fan of really big hair, this would be the perfect wig for you. This is their Sierra Afro Kinky 18-inch headband wig. Thing will be listed in the description box below. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at I am Veronica C. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in my next tutorial.